I'm assuming the black car on the right is going to cut across into your lane. He's too close to the white coloured car. Yeah, he's actually very uncomfortably close. How far behind a vehicle should you be?
2 seconds.
Okay. So is the gap that you've got between you and the white coloured car, is that a good gap? Is that a safe gap?
Maybe 1.5.
Okay, how would you know that you're 2 seconds behind?
So if he passed the sign and I counted 2.
Okay, let's do it now then.
1, 2. Oh, I'm too far?
Are you a safe distance behind it?
Yeah.
There we are then. That's fine. And now we've got another slip road, so quick look to your left, make sure nobody's coming onto your road, and that's fine. If there was somebody coming and it was safe for us to move across, we'd then move across. Look in the left door mirror again, and a quick glance at your speed, you're approaching an average speed camera. And now we've got another slip road on the left, so quick glance in your right door mirror, just in case anyone's cutting across from the right hand side lane into your lane to go down the slip road. You see how that lady coming to the left lane after the slip road? That's good driving. So it's not making anyone panic thinking, oh, she may be going down the slip road. So she's done it after.
Yeah, like I would think she's cutting over.
Yeah. So that was good driving with her. That's nice. Okay, do you know how to get to the shop that you want to go to from here?
So, I think so.
If you want to go to Iceland, then you're going to go down the slip road. If you want to go to the bakery, you can turn off from this road.
I want to go to bakery.
Okay, let's go this way then. Now, if you look in the left door mirror, any car in the left lane will come into your lane. Is there any particular reason why you're dropping your speed? You need to be very careful, okay? You've been doing it all lesson. Okay, dropping your speed is good if you think you need to, but randomly dropping your speed on a dual carriageway would be unreasonable, okay? Now, as we go over the lights, we'll get to a second set of lights. At the second set of lights, as we go through, the bakery's on the left. And there's a one-way road that starts off the dual carriageway. Make sure at the traffic lights that you signal left, so you give people plenty of warning that you're turning off on a dual carriageway, because people always travel faster.
Okay.
So when we go over these lights, we're going to get to another set of lights down the hill. You'd then signal left. But make sure you can see your turn before you signal.
Okay. I'll look out for the
And it's immediately after the bakery, you'll see a one-way sign. Can you remember what the one-way sign looks like? It's like a rectangle upside down.
Yeah.
So once you see the bakery, look to the left after the lights and you'll see a one-way sign. It is there. So what I would do now is, yeah, it's a bus lane sign. What I would do now is I'd signal left from here. I'd slow down. Can you see where them cars are parked?
Yeah.
You're going to go somewhere down there.
Do I go
slow
over
down,
a bus
slow down.
line?
You'd have to, yeah. Where it breaks, go forward. Look at where it breaks. Keep moving forward. Go into it now. Over here. Yeah, it breaks here. And then turn in to the left. So we're turning left into here. Slow down. Look at the car park sign. Into here. Full lock. That's good. Now stop for these 3 people, because it's not normal cars travelling along this road. Now stop moving so they can get out of your way. And now turn in. You know, one thing I've noticed with your driving, you are what's that word to use without sounding rude? You just go. You don't like. It's difficult. It's like you're very quick. You don't let them do whatever they're doing. Yeah, you try and think that they're going to move quicker, and they're not.
So do we turn in here?
Anywhere here. Yeah. Nope, I won't accept it. Stop the car and reverse back. That's why somebody's hit it. You need to do a full lock. Don't look in a camera, look in your door mirrors. That should be enough.